reset your parent passwords, you're going to select Manage Parents area, Manage Parents who can log in. This is going to give you a list of all your parents that you've got listed within School Spider. If you do need to find an individual parent, if you just click on the filter parent icon here, use the drop down, you can filter via classes, and you can also just type an individual surname or first name in here, click filter, and it's going to give you a list of any parents. To reset an individual parent's password, you're going to select the blue plus on the relevant parent that you want to edit. It's going to give you a list of all the parent information here. Just scroll down and you can reset their password here. And then just click on save. Once you've done that, you can go to list all parents again, and you can either give the parent their username and password over the phone or email, or you can just click the red email icon next to that parent name, and that's going to email them their new username and new password.